My husband alerted me to the fact that these eggs are out here. It's a little tuft of grass that we've not done anything with this summer. It's in the front yard. It's where I had a garden here for my dad when he was alive and lived with us, and he would sit on the front porch and enjoy it. And I just haven't gotten there to make the garden come back. But boy, someone has been diligently laying her eggs out here. I'm glad I found them, because now hopefully she'll start laying back in the barn so I can collect them. Chickens.